Hello, I'm Rakesh and today I'm going to share how to get rid of pip install error that you guys have been getting. So I'll just quickly show you how we can solve this issue within just 2 minutes. So I'll open command prompt from here, and currently if you can see, if I enter pip, there is an error that comes. Pip is not recognized as an internal or external commands. Alright, so fine. To solve this issue, I'll first find Python from here. Alright, so my Python is here. I'll right click, go to open file location. Alright, and then I'll go to script folder. Fine. This is where you can see that your multiple version of pip are there. Fine. What I'll do is I'll just copy this path. I'll again go back to command prompt, type cd space, right click and paste the link. Alright, this is what you need to do. Press enter. Fine, so you are at this location now. Cool. Now suppose if I have to use pip, let me just try typing pip and let's see what it says. Alright, so it is working successfully. Now you can install any of the package that you want. Suppose let me pip install bundle. Let's see what it says. Yeah, so there is a typing mistake. Let me do it again. Pip install right. Let's see. So here you can see that it is saying that you are using pip version 9.0. It is however version it is available. Alright, so pip is this is what this is, and the command is successful. So well, you can see how easy it is that. Thank you for your time. Do subscribe my channel if you like the video.